So hello and welcome back to the Nishkamangla YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain the code of this project from White Hat Junior called It's Dicey, and it's a project from ADV class 27. So now let's first understand the designing of this project. So I go to the design section, and over here my first component is an image. So I just drag the image from all of these elements into over here where it is written drag the elements into your app. So I just drag the image option over here, and over here it came. Then from it I made all the changes that I wanted to make, and also changed the ID. And for that, then I went to this image option over here and I clicked on choose. Then over here it came 1.png, 2.png. So these are coming because in the project already all the shapes of the dices all the sides of the dices are downloaded. So then I just click on choose from over here. Like if I want to do this the second side of the dice, so I will click on this 2.png. If I want to do the first side, I'm going to click on 1.png and just choose. So I want to do the first side, so I'm just going to click on choose over here at 1.png. I click on choose, and as the picture was already over there, it did not upload another, but it came. So now my second component is another picture, and it is a duplicate of the first picture. So what I did, I went to the first picture and clicked on this duplicate. So another same picture came exactly like this. So that's why I've done it. But now, for now, we only need two pictures. So I'm going to delete this third picture. Okay. So now over here comes two blank labels. So first we are going to talk about one blank label. So I'm getting to know these blank labels that where are they located on the screen because of these small gray arrows you can see on the screen. So now let's talk about the information of the blank label. So the ID is LBL-number 1, LBL number 1, and this text is nothing as it is a blank label. Width is 80, height is 110, X position is 40, Y position is 180, text color is this, what should I say, gray. This gray, so this gray is the text color. Then background color is white. Font family is Arial. Font size is 86. Test alignment is left. You can even do it center, but I chose it left, so I'm going to let it be at the left only. Border width is 0. Border color is this nothing. Border color is nothing, and border radius 0, and it is not hidden. It is visible. Then I just duplicated another sign of this blank label by going up over here and click on the duplicate button over here, but I'm going to delete this label as we don't need the third label. Then over here I put another label and it says total. So the ID of this label is LBL total. Text is total is equal to width is 185, height is 45, X position is 45, Y position is 320, text color is gray, background color is nothing, font family is here, font size is 33, text alignment is left, border width is 0, border color is nothing, and border radius is 0. Then over here comes another blank label, and its ID is LVL total number. Text is nothing, width is 185, height is 45, X position is 145, Y position is 320, text color is gray, background color is nothing, font family Arial, font size 33, text alignment left, border width 0, border color nothing, border radius nothing. Then our last component on the screen is this button. So for this button, the ID is button 1 only, the text is Romy, and the width is 100. The height is 40, the X position is 105, Y position is 400, text color is nothing. Text position is white, background color is this turquoise blue, font family Arial, font size 14, text alignment center, image is nothing, border width is 0, border color is black. Means this hashtag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These hashtag and 70 means that it is going that if we put like 1 over here or 2 over here, then it could come. But because you have put a lot of zeros over here, it does show black, but it is not going to come black. And border radius is equal to 0. Now let's come to the code. So first, over here it is on event when button 1 is clicked. I have declared a variable. Number 1 is equal to random number from 1 to 6. Take the number on LBL number 1, which is this over here. You see this LBL number 1 as number 1. So the value of number, so whatever the value of number 1 is going to be, when the button is going to click, it is going to be displayed on this. LBL number 1. Then it is if get number LBL nash number 1 is equal to 1, set image URL means the set image URL means set the image picture, set the picture image 1 to 1.png. So it is already 1.png. Then it is else if. So else if means or if in LBL number 1 the value is equal to 2, set image URL image 1 to the second side of the dice, which is 2.png. So it is if if the number entered is going to be 3, set image URL image 1 to 3.png. Else if get number LBL number 1 is equal to 4, set image URL image 1 4.png. If get number 1 is equal to 5, set image URL image 1 5.png. Else if get number label LBL number 1 is equal to 6, set image URL image 1 6.png. Now it is number 2 is equal to random number 1 to 6. So now I am going to tell you all how to copy the blocks in code.org app lab. So what you do? So first you drag your mouse and cover this much of it. Then on your keyboard you click Ctrl plus C. Then you tap anywhere on the screen and wherever this black arrow is going to be. So that means over there the block is going to be copied. And for that you pressed Ctrl plus V, B for run. So you just press it and a duplicate is going to become over here. So that is just a shortcut of copying your blocks. So now I am going to delete this block, or else I don't know, something also might go wrong if the 2 of the blocks are over here. So I'm just going to delete it, but still one block is over here. Okay, now let's get back to the code. It is number 2 is equal to random number 1 to 6. Set number LBL num2 number 2. If get number LBL num2 is equal to 1, set image URL image2 1.png. So now I have put image2 over here because this image2 over here, this ID is image2. Okay, back to the code now. Else if get number LBL num2 is equal to 2, set image URL image2 2.png. If get number LBL num2 is equal to 3, set image URL image2 3.png. Else if get number LBL num2 is equal to 4, set image URL image2 4.png. If get number LBL num2 is equal to 5, set image URL image2 5.png. Else if get number LBL num2 is equal to 6, set image URL image2 6.png. Now here comes our last block. It is set number LBL total number. So in this LBL total number over here, we are going to set the number get number. So the value of LBL num1, which was a blank label 1, plus get number of LBL num2, because over here it comes to total. And in this, and if they are playing any game with 2 dices, like Monopoly for example, they have to use 2 dices. So the total they have to play it. So that's why over here the total is going to be displayed over here, and that is going to be LB num1 plus LB num2. So this was the code of this project from White Hat Junior called It's Dicey, and it was a project from ATV class 27. And until I make a new video, bye bye and keep coding.